Welcome to Enerex, where innovation meets efficiency in the energy market. We are excited to introduce you to Exchange, our groundbreaking solution that allows data between brokers and suppliers to pass seamlessly and instantaneously without email or spreadsheets using secure APIs. In today's fast-paced energy market, the quoting process can be complex and time-consuming. Quotes are sent via email with spreadsheets, which can lead to data entry errors, delays, and rejected contracts. Introducing Exchange, a revolutionary feature built by Enerex that allows the broker to send pricing and contract requests to the supplier and get quotes and an executable contract, all within 5 minutes. Exchange delivers the request directly to the supplier's system via API. When the data comes back, it is immediately uploaded into Sparkplug. Maximize your deals, minimize your effort. In this video, we will walk through how to configure your system to use Exchange for your pricing and contract requests, how to get custom quotes via Exchange, and how to create an executable contract via Exchange. To enable the Exchange connection with each supplier, the supplier will provide an access code. You must enter that code into the Supplier Relationships page of Sparkplug. To receive quotes via Exchange, there are a few things the supplier needs. An address. The address needs to have a type of corporate to be included as legal address. It can be at the customer level or at the opportunity level. A contact. The contact must include a phone number. It can be at the customer or at the opportunity level. Since historical usage is required to get a quote, you must either attach an HU file or an LOA. You can use documents that have been uploaded to the opportunity, or you can attach the documents when you send the pricing request. Here's the workflow to send the pricing request. The workflow starts on the opportunity. Verify you have an address. Here, you can see the address with the type of corporate. Verify you have a contact. Here's a contact. We can confirm that it has a phone number. From here, click on Pricing and Proposals. And then, on Create Pricing Request, enter the requested broker adder. Select the product type. For this integration, we will select Fixed. If there is a start date on the opportunity, the date will be filled in on the pricing request. If not, enter the date here. Need quotes by isn't important for Exchange-connected suppliers, but it is still required for other suppliers. Select the date and time. Terms default from a company setting. You can override them here. Click Next. At the top, in this box for Exchange-connected suppliers, you will see the suppliers where you can get the fastest, most efficient, error-free quotes. To select an Exchange-connected supplier, simply check the box next to the supplier's name. In this example, NRG is Exchange connected, so we will select them to receive the request via Exchange. Here you can see the full list of suppliers. You can send the same pricing request to suppliers who are Exchange connected and those who are not. The other suppliers will receive the pricing request via email. If you select a supplier here, you must also verify the pricing contacts. The email shows what is in your customizable pricing request email template. This will only be used for non-exchange suppliers. Down here at the bottom, you can upload files that will be sent with the pricing request. Remember, you need to include either an HU file or an LOA. If the document is not already uploaded, you can upload it here. Be sure to use the correct document type. Click Next. The Review and Send page gives you a snapshot of the custom pricing request you are ready to send. If everything is correct, click Send to Supplier. Note: this example shows the workflow without an internal pricing desk established. If you had a pricing desk, the steps would be the same, except the user would not select the supplier contacts, and the option available would be to send to pricing desk. The pricing request list shows you the status of the pricing request. If there are errors, the errors will be shown along with information of the reason for the error. The average time to receive a quote back from NRG is 3 minutes. When the quote comes back, the user who submitted the request will get an email. Also, the notification bell at the top of the screen will light up to let you know the quote has been received. Here, you can see the quote has been received. If I scroll down to the quotes grid, I can see the quotes that were received. For quotes received via Exchange, the Exchange logo will be displayed next to the supplier name. Next up, Contract Request. Requesting a custom quote contract. Now that you have your quotes, you can use Sparkplug to send the supplier a contract request also via Exchange. Easily select the quote, click a few buttons, and send the contract to the supplier system, and your customer will have an executable contract in their email within minutes. During our broker pilot, the average time was just 3 minutes. To request a contract, go to the quotes grid and click on the quote you want to use for the contract. Sparkplug will take you to the contract section, highlight the quote, and fill in all the contract fields for you. Verify the information and click Next. The account details section shows you the accounts. Since you requested the Exchange quote for a specific list of accounts, you cannot change that list. Click Next. Select the appropriate contact details from the drop-down menus. Click Send Contract Request. The customer will receive an email with a link to an executable contract. The customer can sign it via digital signature. After the customer signs, the supplier will sign. When completed, the contract will be available for download. You are done. The opportunity is ready for you to convert to a deal. From end to end, it can take as little as 5 minutes to get a contract request. No spreadsheets, no emails, no waiting for a contract, no data entry errors. Maximize your deals, minimize your effort. Ready to transform your quoting and contracting process? Contact your Enerex CSM today and get Exchange connected.